Listen, let's say you own this product and this funnel, and for every sale you're gonna make, you're gonna earn $200 going straight to your pocket. If we know that the average price of the customer acquisition in this niche is between $99 and $120, and with a funnel and a product like this, you can earn $200 per customer, giving you a profit between $80 and $100 per customer, how often would you buy traffic for this funnel? So for example, you are going to invest $100 in traffic. You pay $1 per visitor in average, and for every 100 visitors you are going to make one sale, giving you $200 plus recurring income. Considering that the product is done, the funnel is done, and you have 100% rights over the system, now all you have to do is to bring traffic to this funnel. I would say this business is the closest thing you will ever have to a magic button or a money making machine. Now what if I tell you that you could have some ready to go proven funnels just like this one in multiple niches with 100% sales commissions? Will you give it a try? What if you could access a proven and yet system that has dozens of funnels at no risk for you? Will you give it a try? If you said yes, awesome, you are in the right place, because this is what you are going to have today. Listen, making money online is actually easier than you think. It's all about combining the right ingredients to achieve a successful formula. Once you do that, all the rest is just numbers. And in this video, I will show you how you can make $5,000 in the next 30 days combining the right funnels with paid traffic. The most powerful thing about this formula is that once you try and you earn your first $100, you will realize that you can repeat the same process thousands of times. And then, my friend, the sky's the limit. And if a guy like me could come from Brazil without speaking one single word in English, without knowing anyone, zero network, starting a business from scratch against all odds, and in the middle of the worst financial crisis in America has ever seen, having all the gurus and competitors making fun of me because of my accent, I still made 8 figures online with funnels like this. I'm sure you can do way better than me. My name is Eric Salgado. I am a multi-million-dollar online earner, and you probably never heard my name before. And that just proves my point. You can succeed online without videos and authority. All you really need is to combine the right funnel with paid traffic, and boom, you are making money online and you are ready to scale. Simple like this. Not so sure online businesses are real? Just take a look on these numbers. 1.79 billion people shopping online last year, which means a lot of people are trying to buy products just like this one you are selling. Global e-commerce sales are expected to reach $4.8 trillion by 2021. It's another good sign. And 64% of the Americans prefer to buy online than buy in store. That's right, people want to buy online. In this presentation, I will show you how you can grab a piece of this pie, making up to $5,000 this month, combining the right funnels with paid traffic, and this $5,000 is just the beginning. So let's get straight to the point, and I will show you the formula behind my funnels and the business strategy so you can understand why they are so profitable. After this presentation, you can use this formula to create your own online business, or you can work with my funnels. First of all, don't try to reinvent the wheel. Work with what is already working. The challenge here is to find the blue ocean, and by that I mean find something that's already working but it's not saturated yet. So what is the successful formula that most people don't see? A successful online business is created combining the right 10 ingredients. 1. Customer acquisition price lower than the customer value. For example, if you are going to work with this funnel, the customer acquisition is about $100, but the value is about $200. So you know you are going to pay $100 per a customer, but you are going to make $200. So that's the first and the most important point in a profitable funnel. Second, 100% income. So make sure you are working with products that you can make 100% when you make the sale. It's way easier for you to sell, and it's much better for you to make money. 3. Recurring income is always welcome. So if you can have a product like that, you can make $100 per client in profit, and you can actually generate some recurring income on this funnel. It's awesome because you are going to do the job just one time. You're gonna make some money here, but you're gonna keep making money as the time goes. That's the perfect scenario for every marketer. 4. Easy and fast delivery. That means that once you get the sale done, thank you page, and that's it. Your job is done. You don't have to do drop shipping, call your customer, or take care of anything. Everything is right there. We are working with digital products. That's the best one because the delivery is right there. You have nothing to do. All you have to do is drive traffic, get the sale, make the money, and boom, it's done. Everything is on the thank you page. 5, real demand and scalable products and services. That means that you have to sell something that people actually need, that people actually buy, that people actually are going to pay for this thing because they need it. This is something that they are looking on the internet. So you have a real good product, a product that people need. So if you combine everything, all the ingredients here, man, there is no way you can go wrong. 6, everlasting niches. That means that you have to work in a niche that you know that's going to last forever. So for example, energy, clothing, food, pharmacy, medicines, and marketing, and business opportunities. So we have some niches online, like losing weight. We have some niches online that we know that's going to last forever. So when you are working on this niche, you are always creating an email list. So you can make money with this funnel, but you can make money with another funnel and another funnel and another product because your list is over on an everlasting niche. 7, affiliate leverage. Now listen, you are going to buy traffic, you are going to make sure you have the traffic and you are making some profit, right? Right. But you can also have some affiliates working on this funnel with you. That means that you are not going to pay $100 for paid traffic. You are going to give the $100 for your affiliate. Now you're going to think, but my affiliate is going to pay $100 for traffic, is going to make 100 commissions, makes nothing. No. Some affiliates, the affiliates that you are going to bring, you are going to learn to bring to this system, they're going to work with their email list, with their audience, with their YouTube videos. Your affiliate doesn't have to buy traffic. They can just work with your funnel and make money like this for them and for you. 9, awesome funnel. What that means by awesome funnel, you gotta have a funnel with opt-in, email sequence, sales page. You gotta have retargeting when people leave the sales page, checkout page, retargeting on the checkout page, thank you page. You gotta have everything in place, tags and a lot of systems to make sure that people are going to enter this funnel, make a purchase, or if they don't, we still gonna talk with these people on email like every day, and we're gonna be retargeting these people on social media so they're gonna remember about you. So the funnel must be perfect, so you don't have any, you don't lose leads. You keep like 100% sure that everybody that comes to your funnel is gonna have a chance to see your video and to see what you are selling. And 10, guarantee for buyers. What that means? That means that you gotta give your buyers every single guarantee that they need to have no risk buying your product. Now listen, if you are selling something really good, something that you can stand behind your product, you can give any type of guarantee. You can give like double guarantee. It doesn't matter because your product is good, right? If you don't give a guarantee, people will think like, what if I don't like? But if you give a really good guarantee, you stand behind your product, people will feel like, I can buy. If I don't like it, I can get my money back. So some people are going to ask for a refund, but a lot of people are going to buy, like your product, and you are good to go. So it's really important for you to give all the guarantees to your customers, so you take the risk of your customers and you put your risk in yourself because you own the product, you own the thing, you know what you're doing. Now, if you can combine all those ingredients in a business, there is no way you can fail. Now, let me show you a solution I have created for you to start making money today, and where you are going to find these 10 ingredients combined in a way that you've never seen before. I know I already promised you to show how you're going to access a ready-to-go funnel to start making money online today, but I will do much better than that. I will show you a program where you can actually make more than $5,000 this month to start, and also create a solid recurring income based on a real product in one of the best online niches. This will be much more than just a magic button or a system. I want to give you everything you need to become a real online business owner and create a career on that, including the funnels, the training, and all the tools. $5,000 is just the beginning. This system is actually very powerful, and we have entrepreneurs already earning much more than $100,000, $200,000, and even $300,000 come with the same very system, same funnel, same offer, same products, same everything that I'm gonna give to you right now. So let me introduce you to the Builderall Funnel Club, an online solution for entrepreneurs to quickly start making money online and scale as they learn and develop more digital marketing skills. This is the biggest online program you have ever seen, with everything you need and all the guarantees, so your only risk is to succeed. With this program, you will have access to more than 350 funnels created in many niches and teams for you to sell digital products, physical products, build email lists, work as an agency or a consultant. Did you get that? 350 funnels. But before you think that could be a little bit overwhelming, among these 350 funnels, you will have 7 quick start funnels and a quick start training, really easy to apply so you can start making money right now. And as I said, this is a complete digital marketing program. So when you are ready to create, grow, and scale your own business, you will also have access to hundreds of training videos and more than 30 digital marketing tools and apps for you to create, run, and market, sell pretty much anything. You will have immediate access to tools like Site Builder, Funnel Simulation, Webinar Tool, video hosting, chatbot, professional email marketing, CRM, e-learning, membership website, booking calendar, checkout with e-commerce and auction features, affiliate system, and so much more. And you will also have immediate access to a complete digital marketing training for different business models and goals. A one-on-one call with our team to help you with any doubts or problems that you may have. So we are going to actually listen to your problems, listen what is your challenges, and we're gonna learn what you need help with. So we're gonna make sure that you are going to put your funnel online and start making money as soon as you can. You will also have access to an amazing private Facebook community with more than 40,000 entrepreneurs. Weekly meetings with my team and I to talk about business mindset and strategy. And with this package, you seriously don't need anything else, no matter what kind of business you want to build online. We are actually giving you a real ready to go and scalable business, plus all you need to create many more other business as you grow your skills. But how you can make money with the Builderall Funnel Club? You actually have more than 7 ways to make money with Builderall Funnel Club. So first, after you complete your first 10 minutes training, you will be able to choose one funnel and run your first funnel with paid traffic. So we estimate you can earn about $200 a day if you follow our instructions. Second, you will learn how to make money working as an affiliate for digital and physical products using our funnels as base for your promotions. Third, you will learn and have all the tools and funnels to create a powerful email list in many niches or in the niche you choose. And as you may have heard, the money is on the list. Fourth, you will learn how to create your own digital product and launch it online with paid traffic or affiliates. And by the way, this month we have a Funnel Club member creating his own product online, and he made more than $10,000 on the first 24 hours. This guy created an amazing course teaching people how to do pizzas. That's right, a pizza product can make thousands and thousands of dollars online. Fifth, you will learn how to create a website and a digital marketing agency and make recurring income with local businesses and service providers. Sixth, you will learn and have all the tools and funnels on how to work as a Builderall Premium affiliate and earn recurring income in promoting the most complete and powerful digital marketing platform in the world. Seventh, you will learn how to make passive income with the Builderall Marketplace, either with your own products or with the other entrepreneurs' products. So far we have spoken about 7 ways to make money, and there are actually more, but don't feel overwhelmed, you can do this. Just follow our step-by-step training and you will be able to make your first sale in a few hours. And again, once you understand the process, you will be able to learn and grow your skills and create your own 6 or 7 figure business just like many of our entrepreneurs already have. So how to start changing your financial situation starting right now? Well, as you can see, we just showed you 7 ways to make money with the Builderall Funnel Club, but actually the possibilities are limitless and you will learn a lot of more possibilities once you start your training. But as I am an entrepreneur myself, I know that the best scenario would be learn as we go, or in that case, learn as we profit. So that's why the first step in this process after your registration will be getting your first funnel online in a matter of minutes, so you can start seeing results and get even more excited about learning everything that we have to teach you and build your amazing solid business yourself. After all, we are talking about more than 350 funnels in many niches and teams, plus the new funnels we add every week. We are talking about all the tools you will ever need to do any kind of business in any kind of niche. We are talking about hundreds of hours of trainings for you to choose and learn and apply. and with English-speaking teachers, no worries with my accent. We are talking about a one-on-one onboarding call to help you to figure it out how you are going to get your business to grow. We are also talking about all the guarantees you can have to give you peace of mind and start right now. So the price for the Builderall Funnel Club is actually insanely good. We know some professionals charge up to $10,000 to create just one funnel. Some others charge you about $1,000 for a digital marketing course. And to access all the digital marketing tools you need to work online, you would easily spend $600 a month. But most of all, nobody gives you a ready-to-go funnel with 100% rights of the product in a quick start training so you can actually start making money right now direct on your account. This kind of stuff doesn't exist. So can you imagine the value you are getting with 350 funnels, hundreds of hours of trainings, all the tools you will ever need all in one place integrated to make your life easier, in a quick start training so you can actually start making money now? Well, you already did the math, and we are not charging you $50,000 for this program. We are not charging you $10,000, not even $5,000, not even $1,000. For a very limited time, we are setting the Builderall Funnel Club, which is the biggest, the most complete, the most efficient, and the fastest program for you to create an online business for only $199 initially and another $69.90 a month for you to keep up with the hosting, new tools, upgrades, and everything that we have to put on your account. That's right. With less than $200, you can start right now and you can put your first funnel online in 10 minutes to start generating money today. The $69 you have to pay monthly won't even be a problem because you are going to make so much more money than that on the next 30 days that actually you are going to be glad to be part of our company and keep paying $69 to have access to all the funnels, all the tools, and all the trainings that you are going to be using to generate you way more than that. Now, very important, let me talk to you about my 2 guarantees. First guarantee is if you don't see the value on this package, if you don't like the training, if you don't like the tools, if you don't make money with my system, you can just ask for a refund and we will proceed with the refund in 24 hours with no questions asked. Second guarantee, this offer has no upsells. The only thing that you are going to pay is the $199 now to access the whole content, the funnels and the tools, and the $69 monthly starting next month to keep the hosting and keep everything in place. And that's it. We are not going to offer you anything else, especially because you don't need anything else. So that's it. $199, no surprises, you get the best that we have to deliver. Well, are you ready to take the first step for the $5,000 income a month and much more as you get better and better on this business and this career? On our side, we are ready for you and you can put your first funnel online right now. You are the only one with the power to change your life. We just have the power to show you the way and show you how. So let's start right now. This is the smartest thing that you can do right now, especially because there is no risk for you. And this is absolutely the best offer and program you ever saw online. If I could make it with all my challenges and language barriers, I know you can do way better than that. Register right now and I will see you inside so we can put your first funnel online in minutes and see your first sales in hours. I'm Eric Salgado. Take your first step. You have right now 7 funnels just like this, money make machine, so you can put money on traffic, you got money on the other side. Is everything ready for you to start? We have a lot of trainings, a lot of tools, a lot of ideas, a lot of things that you can learn and do it online. We have a lot of projects, we have an amazing community. So this is it. Take the decision, take the first step, and I will see you inside. Thank you for watching, and let's do your first sale in hours with the Builderall Funnel Club.